Creamer Media in Johannesburg, this is the Real Economy Report. The installation of a photovoltaic system for South African retailer Pick n Pay's Longmeadow distribution centre will be fully operational by the end of the month. The solar PV system installed by Energy Partner Solar is believed to be the largest solar PV installation in South Africa. Nadine James has a story.
Energy Partner Solar CEO Manie explains that the installation was completed by a team of 16. Remarkable given the scale of the project.
This is a 2.3 megawatt solar system installed on the roof of Pick n Pay Longmeadow DC. As far as we know, the largest industrial solar installation in sub-Saharan Africa. Just to give you an idea on scope, we've used 7,200 solar modules here, about 100 kilometers of cable and 14,000 brackets. So gives you an idea of what we're dealing with here. Pick n Pay can power 2 of their stores for 25 years with the power that we're going to be producing here. Took us about 3.5 months to complete the installation.
The installation forms part of Pick n Pay's commitment to reducing its total energy intensity by 2020, as Pick n Pay's National Utilities Manager Natasha Jansen explains.
Our goal is to reduce our energy consumption per square meter by 50% by 2020. To achieve this goal, Pick n Pay has identified 3 key areas: behavior, simple actions such as turning off lights and equipment not in use; technology, investing in energy efficient equipment in high consumption areas such as refrigeration and lighting; and lastly, renewable energy such as solar.
Jansen states that Pick n Pay's energy strategy has been immensely successful, reducing the retailer's overall energy consumption per square meter by 1/3 to date. The Waal adds that once all of Pick n Pay's solar potential is realized, it will lead to a 6% reduction in grid usage for Pick n Pay. Jansen states that Pick n Pay has worked with Energy Partners Solar since 2010, and that a long-standing relationship is owed to the company's exceptional offering and service.
We identified 3 players in the solar industry that were competitive in terms of price. Our successful 10-year relationship with Energy Partners then gave us the confidence to invest in this long-term 25-year project.
The Waal points out that Energy Partners Solar's model, which has the company providing capital and maintaining the project on behalf of the client, has served it well over the years.
Energy Partners Solar certainly, I believe, is one of the fastest growing solar companies in South Africa. The industry itself is growing exponentially. I mean, over the last 3-4 years, we saw 30-35% annual growth. Before that, even higher. So compound that, you're up to 300% from where you were 5 years ago. So the industry is certainly taking off. Within the industry, there's different companies. Some have now taken the lead. Energy Partners Solar is very well positioned in terms of footprint. We've done about 20 megawatts, looking to at least double that again next year in 2018. Something where we've definitely distinguished ourselves is in solar lease models, where we would invest the capital into solar systems, and there we've partnered with large listed companies, Pick n Pay, Pioneer, a number of others, where we would invest in the solar systems. We maintain the solar systems for our clients, and they get the benefit of affordable, sustainable green power.
That's Creamer Media's Real Economy Report. Join us again next week for more news and insights into South Africa's real economy.